Hello traders, the title of this video is Scalping Trading Tips, Dow Jones Scalping Live. Let's get started. I'm on the 15-minute chart, scalping the Dow Jones Index. And we want to talk about scalping trading tips. Alright, so if you are scalping, you are looking for a quick and fast profit. Alright, and also you do not want to remain in a trade for too long, and you want to look for a trading setup that will generate excellent or powerful scalping trading signal. All right, I'm going to bring you, because we are talking, I'm on the 50, I will be scalping on the 50-minute time frame. I want to sell the Dow Jones using what we call the limit order to sell the Dow Jones at 209.03. That's my limit order. That limit order is not yet filled. It will be filled when the price starts coming down and reaches that level of 209.03. Why am I selling? So if you are scalping and you want to sell, you have to ask the question, is there a valid reason to sell, right? Or is there a valid reason to buy if you want to buy? So because we want to scalp trade, we want to concentrate on the short-term price fluctuation. Now, but the problem that they face when they are scalping, they only use the short-term time frame. It's a big trading mistake. It's a scalping trading mistake. Though we can scalp trade on a 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, all right, even 50-minute time frame, as I'm about to do here, I must have a valid reason why I want to sell scalping trading the Dow Jones. That reason, that valid reason that will help me to sell as a scalper should be on a higher time frame. Really? Yes. Let's go to, I'm going to go quickly on the monthly chart, all right? And I want to show you what's happening, on the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, this is the Dow Jones. I have already done my homework. You can see here, if you measure the depth, I use a conservative measurement for the price target. You can see that the price form a V pattern here on the monthly chart. If I project the depth of that V pattern up above the neckline, it's bringing us near the orange line here where I want to sell. All right, near that orange line. That's where the price now, you see that orange line on my chart. That's where the price is now. So what am I talking about as a scalper? The price is at a price target level. What do I mean? The reason is the swing traders that are using this monthly chart that have noticed that the price has formed this V pattern, those swing traders will set their target in the vicinity of that orange line. So the price there now, some of those swing traders will be prepared to take some profit. Now this is where the scalpers will come in. So swing traders want to take profit, day traders want to take profit, all right? Price is at the target level. That's excellent point for scalping. Whether the price went down to a price target level or goes up to a price target level. In this case, you can see that the price went up to a price target level. They will be willing to sell in that zone. So all I need to do now, myself as a scalper, all right, on a 50-minute time frame, now I go to the 50-minute time frame, to see what is happening. So what is my value reason? The value reason is just that the price is at the target price level. You can see that the orange line that I'm talking about on the 50-minute time frame is here. That's the orange line here. But you can see that the price was above that target level. So price when it exceeded the target level. But you want to monitor after the price, you see the price gap up from that orange line up. It went down a bit and then went up. So on my 15-minute time frame, hold on please, traders, I'm going to go and remove that green spot on the monthly chart. Let me remove that. So price reaches the target level, exceeded the target level on the 50-minute time frame. But if you look carefully, my friend, you see that the price has plateaued here, all right? See here, it formed a double top on the 50-minute time frame after breaking above, okay, the target level. So hit this resistance here, pull back, and then went back to the same level. Now it's coming down. So what is happening here? Though the price, you see, not many people came out when the price was in the target zone. So if I go again to the hourly time frame quickly, you can see that, you see here, price reaches the target level. Not many swing traders came out. But as the price went up to form, okay, in the zone of the double top, you see my double top on the 50-minute time frame. That zone, you see, as the price reaches that double top level, people start coming out here. So the swing trader did not come out straight away at the target level. They are coming out a little bit above it. There are other reasons why that can happen. One of those reasons is that a lot of swing traders do not use the same price target level. Not all swing traders. I was telling you that I was using a conservative price target level. Other traders may push it down all the way to the low like this. And for those traders, when they projected that price level, it will bring them above the target level. You see, above it. So this is one of the reasons why the price can go above the orange line. So the orange line is the conservative price target level. The second target is a little bit above it. So it is normal for some time. It is normal for the price sometime to go above the target level. But one thing that is sure is that some of those swing traders will start taking profit in that zone. That's why on a 50-minute time frame, you can see that after the price went, I'll go back to the hourly time frame again, then you can see. So when it went above the target, they start coming out here instead of the orange line. So those are the swing traders. See, some of the swing traders came out and price went back below the orange line, you see. So the initial profit taking has begun right here. All right, so the swing traders, so some of them came out here. They are not stupid. All right, they know the target zone. They know that they have exceeded the target. They come out. They are coming out now. Here it is. But as the price came down, you can see it came down nicely. Like this, all down, 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 down. All right, so if you're a day trader, you want to know where are the price target level. You are scalper, you want to know where are the price target level. Those are the zone when you want to, a day trade or scalp trade. The reason is the price is like you are likely to see, a short-term momentum when the price is, when swing traders or day traders are taking profit. All right, so this is the issue here, start going down. But here again, as the price went back to the same level or same zone, now it's forming again double top. What is it telling us? Which means there are more people who want to come out. So they came out first time here, all right, price went back to the same level. So those swing traders who did not react straight away to sell, to take their profit here, they see that the price went down. Also, some of their profit has been erased. Now the price returned back to the same level. If you were swing trading and you did not come out here, what will you do here? You would like to take also some profit. So price came down a little bit here, went back to the same level, form a double top. There is a good reason that the price will go down a little bit more, because there are still more swing traders waiting to come out of their swing trade. So talking about scalping trading tips, we must have a valid reason why we want to scalp trade. Because we want to sell when the price is about to go down as a scalper, and we want to buy when the price is about to go up. And usually at a price target level, you are likely to see those reactions and you can get filled very fast. All right. Again, on a 15-minute time frame, now I'm on the hourly time frame. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. You can see that after the price formed a double top, you see that it was going below this trend line here. The good news, why I want to sell it now, is because you see this low here. There was this low before. There was this low also here. So price formed a low and a lower low. Now it rally up to retest this bearish trend line here, but it's going a little bit above it. So I'm not going to try to sell it above that trend line. So I place my limit order a little bit below here, Okay, you have to be careful because there is, you see this candle here, the tail of it, I just put it a little bit below that tail because that tail is a support zone. So I put it just a little bit below that tail, all right? So if it starts going down again and reaches this level, it means that this candlestick bar on a 50-minute time frame is not okay, a proper bullish activity. It's just, okay, maybe some scalpers were buying at the wrong time and at the wrong place. So if the smart money notice that, if more swing traders start coming out, you see this what's happening now, it will try to calm down more. So I'm watching the first candlestick bar that closes above the bearish trend line. I believe that that bullish candlestick bar, I do not have to worry too much about it if the price come back to this point here. So you see now, if it come down, okay, all the way here, it means that that bullish candlestick bar has been cancelled. So to summarize this video very fast, as a scalper, always look for a reason why you should buy and a reason why you should sell. One of those reasons can be just the price is at a target level. What is likely to take place at the price target level? So who brought the price to the price target level? Who are the market participants that were trading it at the first place? Those are swing traders on a monthly chart. They push it, they push it, they push it, they push it to the target level. What will they do now? They will try to come out. If they were selling it and it reaches the target level, all right, what will they do? They will try to come out of the bearish trade. So a bearish trader coming out, they must buy. Very simple, very simple. All right. So the orange line here is a very important key level. It's a target zone. But as I explained to you, whenever you are using the target level, do not think that all traders will set the target the same way. So therefore, be aware of how other traders may set their target. So this is my conservative target, the orange line. But I also know that other traders may set their target a little bit up. So understand what's happening here. Here, it gap up. The reason why it gap up here is because some people knew, those are day traders, all right? Some of them are day traders. They knew that this is a target level. They just sell it straight away. Instead of using different time frame, they just sell it straight away. And they were taken out of their trade, creating, okay, a fuel for the price to gap up more, all right? Now we know now that they are selling it. We know now the swing traders are coming out of their bullish trade. That's the first reaction. Here we have a confirmation, a double top. So in fact, on the hourly time frame, as I showed you first, they showed it here. It went down. So it's clear to me now that people are coming out of their bearish trade. Here it is. Okay. Now some people try to buy it up. Okay. Now, are they serious bullish traders? If they were, the price will go back above this high, but they didn't. Now we have a bearish chart pattern indicating to us that there are more sellers. So you can also learn something very simple, is that you see price went down from A to B. Now it rallied up without going to the starting point, but instead form a bearish chart pattern, a double top. That's a bearish trading setup. That's a bearish trading setup. So they were selling it first. Now he rallied up without going to the starting point. So here he was selling it. Okay, that's what I'll represent with this one. Now he rallied up without going to the beginning. That's the second line here. Now he formed a double top, which is a bearish chart pattern. Well, what is the dominant force? The dominant force is bearish. The dominant force was bearish. If the dominant force is bearish, okay, you can highlight the first price reaction from the high to the low. If we see any bearish chart pattern in that zone, well, we will look for it. We will look for an opportunity to sell. But we do not just sell anyhow. As a scalper, as you can see, my concern is to handle the trend carefully instead of just selling it. Okay, because as a scalper, we don't want to use too many stop loss. So one step to control the risk as a scalper, I use a limit order instead of a market order. With that, I'm not selling straight away at the market price. I'm waiting patiently, setting my limit order here. So This candlestick bar is telling me that first, this candlestick bar is telling me that it's going to go up. Good. I don't want to force it. But if the second candlestick bar cancels that bullish candlestick bar, it means that, well, some trader may say breaks the bull, retest. Yes, but I do not believe that because of everything else that I've told you so far. People, bearish traders, are coming out of the trade, and I will, be looking for an opportunity to sell at 209.03. All right. So those are just simple scalping trading mistakes. So a lot of scalpers very often, because they want to scalp trade, they say, oh, I have to be on a 3-minute time frame, I have to be on a 1-minute time frame, I have to be on a 5-minute time frame. I don't want. Why are you talking about the hourly time frame? Why are you talking about the 2-hour time frame? Why are you talking about the daily time? Why are you talking about the monthly chart? But it's a mistake. So why? So the question, we can rephrase the question in a different way. Why are you selling on a 1-minute time frame? All right. So you can ask the question, why am I selling on a 3-minute time frame? Or why is there a valid reason to sell as a scalper? Is there a valid reason to buy as a scalper? And the answer to that question is what trading setup is creating the scalping opportunity on the lower time frame. And once you find the trading setup or the reason or the source of your scalping trade on your 1-minute, 2-minute, 3-minute time frame, you will start trading. You will start making better scalping trading mistake or trading decisions. All right. So as I explained it to you now, we are expecting the second candlestick bar to cancel it. My preference is that candlestick bar should fill my order straight away instead of stopping above the red line. Why? Because if you look at the time of the day, it's 39 minutes past 7 p.m. in London. In New York, that's 39 minutes past 2. So it's quite, it's not the best time for scalping as such. So that's why I do not want this candlestick bar to waste my time by stopping above the red line. I would prefer it to be a little bit long and to fill my order straight away. And that will give me more confidence that people are selling it now. Once that order is filled, I'm a scalper. Let's see, 209.03. Once that order is filled, I'll come back and set my stop loss. For Dow Jones, I'll use 15 pips. Sometimes I use even 20 pips because of the volatility of Dow Jones. If you use, I'm not saying that you cannot use 10 pips, but I'll prefer to use 20 pips or 15 pips for that scalping because my risk-reward ratio is that by risking 20 pips or 15 pips, I'm expecting at least 30 pips, a profit, all right? So I'm risking 15 pips and I want to get 30 pips or more, all right? But if you think that 15 pips is too much for scalping, well, then you cannot enter the trade or the 50-minute time frame. Then you have to go a little bit on the lower time frame. Let's see, 3-minute time frame. Then you have to wait. So if you go, for instance, to the 3-minute time frame, you will adhere to the market pattern here. You can see then you're going to delay a little bit more your entry, all right? Okay, then you will say, all right, let it come out of this channel first, then break below, retest, before you will sell it on the 3-minute time frame. In that case, you can use 10 pip to control the risk. But because I have a little bit experience doing this, I would prefer to sell it like this using limit order. If they kick me out, well, that's the end of that trade, or I may come back again, all right? And try one more time, okay? So because this is a Dow Jones scalping live, all right? It's a live trading, all right? I'm going to, hold on please. I will have to pause the video at one point to avoid that the video is too long, okay? So if I show you now how long we have been talking about 20 minutes, can you believe it? 20 minutes already gone, and I'm not even yet in the train, and I'm still waiting, all right? Okay, so going back, because I want to use 15-minute time frame today instead of a 3-minute time frame. So I'm going back to my 15-minute time frame, and for the first time, I'll pause the video because I don't want the video to be too long, and we'll come back to it if this order is filled, all right? But before we go, let's color this one into turquoise, a vertical line, place a vertical line there. That's my limit order there at 209.03, okay? And I will also show you the time when we are pausing the video. Apology traders, it is 42 minutes past 7 p.m. in London, 42 minutes past 2 p.m. in New York, pausing the video for the first time. I'll come back to it when this order is filled. So I will speak to you very soon, pausing the video for the first time after 21 minutes recording. Okay, traders, the price is now at 209.07, only 4 pips from my limit order. You can see my limit order is the gray line here. So the first candlestick, we pause the video here. You can see that the first candlestick bar didn't come straight away to fill that order. So the second candlestick bar is now coming down. Hopefully that order, limit order, will be filled very shortly, all right? So far so good. It's coming down, so you can see after that bullish candlestick bar I was showing you before. After that, they were just selling it now. We will wait until this limit order is filled. All right. So just to show you quickly what is happening here, the time in London is 58 minutes past 7 p.m. In New York, that's 58 minutes past 2 p.m. Okay, one more time, let's pause the video, and I'll move my vertical line right here, and we'll wait until this order is filled. So far, I got exactly, okay, 1 hour, 2 minutes left before the market will be closed. Hopefully that limit order will be filled, and now we'll get paid before the market is closed. Alright, so pausing the video for the second time after 22 minutes. Okay, traders, we pause the video here, waiting for this order at 209.03 to be filled. It's not yet filled, but the time is 5 minutes to 9 p.m. in London. That's 5 minutes to 4 p.m. in New York, in exactly 5-minute time frame. And New York will be closed, all right? So that's all for today. We couldn't enter the trade. We were waiting, but looking at the time of the day, that was not the best time for a scalping. All right. If I go back to the 3-minute time frame to show you how the market is closing now, we got 5 minutes left. So I'm just going to let it run and see what will happen in a 5-minute time frame. So still waiting for that order to be filled. So one thing that we can learn from this is that if one is scalping, one should scalp trade during the first 2 hours when New York is open, when London is open, or when Hong Kong is open. So because the most liquid period of the market is usually the first 2 hours when New York, London, and Tokyo is open. So you can see here it was quite late. We got only 2 hours when I was trying to record this video. So it was just blah, 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 blah. And the market is now about to close. But the most important thing in this tutorial is to find a good reason why one should buy or sell at the time when one is scalping, Once one finds that valid reason or that trading setup, one can now go to a lower time frame to scalp trade. I want to show you something very fast, and I will be talking about it very shortly, using the same strategy, scalping strategy. The stock that I want to show you very fast. We got 4 minutes left, and I will be talking about it very shortly. You look at this stock here. This stock was also at a target price level, doing a similar thing like the Dow Jones. So when the market open tomorrow, one will wait for the market to reset itself. So when you see a trading setup at the end of the market sometime like this, you need to be a little bit careful. All right. So now, the next day when the market is open, you want to wait for the market to reset itself before one can look for another scalping opportunity. All right. Sometimes the market may gap up or gap down. In that case, all right, we'll take it from there. All right. Going back again to the Dow Jones index, staying on the 3-minute time frame until the market is closed. So we got 3 minutes left. In fact, it's 2 minutes left now. So just to show you how the market will close today. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you have learned something from it, and we put it to use, to improve your scalping trading. To summarize this video, one wants to avoid the scalping trading mistake, which consists of going to a lower time frame and start scalping. The best approach is to look for a trading setup on a higher time frame, or to find a valid reason why one wants to sell on a 3-minute, on a 5-minute, or even on the 15-minute time frame, as I'm trying to demonstrate to you in this tutorial. All right. So just waiting for the market to close, and then I will just wrap it up. Okay. Now the advantage of using a limit order is that if the price if the order is not filled, one is not in the trade. Instead of just trying to sell, the price couldn't come back below that red trend line. You can see it stay above it. People were trying to buy it above that red trend line. They couldn't. So which means they were, because of the time of the day, that's the reason. The time of the day was not suitable for this scalping trading method. So we should scalp trade the first 2 hours when the market is open. All right? If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about scalping trading tips, Dow Jones Scalping Live. Speak to you soon.